The next generation public address loudspeakers. Across industries, reliable communication is essential. To support consultants and system integrators worldwide, our public address loudspeaker portfolio is entering a new era. Introducing the next generation public address loudspeakers, a phased portfolio renewal designed to make selecting, specifying, and installing the right loudspeaker easier than ever. Over time, the number of loudspeakers has grown, making searching and selecting the right speaker increasingly challenging. Consultants seek clarity, integrators need straightforward choices, and installers want easy-to-mount speakers. A new mounting bracket enables quicker, tool-friendly installation without the need to remove the bracket. The next-generation horn loudspeakers consist of a clear four-tier structure: entry, mid, and performance level, and specials. Entry is designed for distributing speech and alarm tones in public address and voice alarm applications. It has an ABS construction enforced with fiberglass. Mid is designed for distributing speech and alarm tones in demanding environments with wider power range. Robust construction of aluminum and PPE material with a stainless steel bracket. Performance are two-way music horns with a modern design where high-volume background music applications meets public address and voice alarm. ABS with fiberglass construction. Specials are a range of loudspeakers designed for special applications like explosion-proof environments. This makes it easy to select the right loudspeaker for every environment, application, and budget, ensuring fast specification, confident tendering, and streamlined planning. The first milestone in this program is the launch of a completely renewed horn loudspeaker lineup. Designed for safety-critical and high-noise environments, these horns deliver powerful clarity, durability, and peace of mind wherever reliable communication matters most. PRAESENSA end-of-line and end-of-branch modules for loudspeaker line supervision can now be installed directly inside the back can, protected from the environment, saving space and eliminating extra components. All horns are certified, fully supervised when integrated with PRAESENSA and weather and dust protected by IP66 rated housings. Engineered with robust materials and finish, these horns are still lightweight, compact, and deliver clear, intelligible sound in the toughest conditions, from offshore platforms to industrial plants and warehouses. Consultants gain a clearer, more structured portfolio. System integrators benefit from performance consistency and easier planning. And installers save valuable time and cost through simplified mounting, integrated supervision options, and less materials handling due to compact packaging and low weight. The next generation PA loudspeakers has arrived. The sound of certainty in every environment.